Where are you going, Evan?
Today, guys, we're finding a Christmas tree for my babysitter because she doesn't really have a tree farm, and so I guess we have to get one. And okay, guys, I hope you like this video. Let's go. We're at the tree farm. Me and Miranda, there she is. Miranda,
What?
can we get that tree?
No.
Why?
Because it's too big.
And dude, that tree is huge. Miranda, can we get that tree? No. Yeah, we're trying to get that tree, and she doesn't really want to get it. So, Miranda, how can I watch the videos? Like, pause it and then I can watch
You can't watch it. You just gotta keep recording it, and then at the end we can watch it.
Yeah, so, guys, we have to record it, and then we're done, and then we're done, and then we're done.
This is a nice one, too.
Hey, Miranda.
What?
Can we get that tree?
No, that's not a Christmas tree. Evan.
Hey guys, she's not picking the Christmas tree. So like, I don't know. Like I'm trying to find a Christmas tree right now. Like we're trying to find a 14-foot tree. Miranda, can we get a 14-foot tree?
I would love a 14-foot tree. A 14-foot tree.
That's the 14-foot tree.
It won't fit in my bedroom.
Yeah, so he's freaking out right now how much trees we're getting.
Show the camera.
Guys.
I found my tree. This is it.
Look at it.
This is my tree.
Rachel. Look at it.
Do we like this tree?
Yeah.
Is this the tree?
Yeah. Can I lift the camera up like this? So I can see it, like, can I lift the camera up like this? Okay, guys, so look at it. Look at that tree. Guys,
So far we're at this tree. We'll see what else we got.
wait,
Unless we find a better one.
I found this tree. So guys, we have to find my father or Poppy to like get my tree. Get my babysitter's tree because there's no one back here. The tree because no one. We're finding my babysitter's tree and there's my father. Look at